So what is Simplified Issue Life Insurance? Well, my name's Stephen Sinclair from Dundas Life, and today we're going to talk about Simplified Issue Non-Medical Life Insurance. Now, if you like our content, feel free to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more information on life insurance. So let's dive into what is Simplified Issue Non-Medical Life Insurance. You might have heard this term if you're looking for coverage, and maybe you've come across it because of some sort of illness that you've had in the past. Simplified issue is not what we call non-underwriting. There is still questions that you're going to have to go through on an application. However, these applications are worded very specifically to either be a yes or no answer. And so as you're going through the application, the more questions that you can answer no to, typically the better your price becomes. Now, with Simplified Issue, one of the benefits to it is that you're not going to have to go through a paramedical. Typically what will happen after you complete the application with your broker or agent is that you'll have a representative from that company give you a call and ask you those same exact questions going through verbatim. Now, after that point, you won't have to have a nurse come out to visit you. They're not going to check your vitals, and they may or may not check your attending physician statement. It really just depends on the company in that case. But what are the downsides to Simplified Issue? Well, while it is quicker in terms of the underwriting process because you don't have to go through all the other steps I mentioned, the downside is that it tends to be more expensive than going through the traditional route if you're healthy. So if you are healthy, commit yourself to the time and get a better price. Otherwise, if you go the Simplified Issue route, you're probably going to end up paying more for your policy. Now, the other downside with Simplified Issue is that sometimes there is a deferred period. This is a 2-year period where the policy will not pay the full death benefit if you pass away from a natural cause of death. If it's an accidental cause of death, the policy will still pay 100%. But for example, in the first year, if you pass from a natural cause of death, the company may only pay back the premiums that you put into the policy, not the actual death benefit that you were covered for. So again, some of the pros and cons: faster underwriting process, better if you have some health issues, and no invasive medical exams. Downside being that it's costlier and could have a deferred period as well for your death benefit. Hopefully you find this information valuable, and ask us any questions that you have. Feel free to leave some comments. Again, hit that like or subscribe button and have a great day.